What is up, my fellow fixers? And in today's video I'm going to be doing something slightly different. I'm going to be showing you the easiest retro brighten technique I've ever seen. So without any further delays, let's get into it. My name is Scott and you're watching Scott Fix. So for this recipe we're only going to need two ingredients, one of them being an airtight container and the second one being this cream peroxide. And this is used for like bleaching your hair, but you need something with a 12% peroxide strength or above to make it work effectively. So all you need to do, literally, is we're going to be taking this Game Boy DMG shell. We can see we've got quite a bit of yellow in the bottom left hand side of the top. The bottom section is not too bad, but we've got a bit of yellow in at the bottom here. So literally, all I'm going to do, open up our bottle. Now my bottle is half empty, so I've already done this a couple of times before. So if you've obviously got a full bottle, I wouldn't recommend laying it down the side, but because mine's half empty, I know it's not going to leak out everywhere. I'm just going to place that in the center there, and I'm going to get my Game Boy shell and just lay it like so. And all we have to do then is put on our airtight lid, and then go and place it in the windowsill. Now the beautiful thing is, it doesn't even matter if it's not a sunny day, because this technique will work regardless whether it's cloudy or not. It's all just about keeping it inside the airtight container. Just leave it in the windowsill for, I recommend, about 3 days time, and we'll come back and check on it and you'll see the difference. It's amazing. Okay, so it's now time for us to take a little look and see how we've been getting on. Now, to be fair, this has been in the window for at least a good week. I did leave it, I did check it after a few days, but I thought I just wanted to leave it in there as long as I could just to see, try and get the best results that I could out of it. And we can see, get it out of the way. Yeah, the discoloration on the top part here, I mean, this was quite significantly yellow around here, which is pretty much all gone. Looking at the bottom part, it was quite yellow around the bottom, and you see that is much better if we put the two together. See, we've still got a slight bit of discoloration on the back half compared to the front, but overall, that is absolutely fantastic. I mean, obviously, if we've got nice hot sunny weather and that, you can just put this outside and it will probably cure a lot quicker than it has done. But yeah, if you're not in any particular rush whatsoever and you just want to have a nice simple method, I mean, the great thing is I can just take this out now. I haven't got to clean it up or anything. I haven't got to worry about the peroxide doing any kind of damage to the plastic. Overall, very impressed, very happy. Excellent. Give it a try, guys, and just let me know how you get on. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. See you next time. One thing I would like to add, even though I didn't do it in this video, please remember to always wear gloves and safety glasses when dealing with peroxide, just in case you have any accidents. Remember, kids, stay safe.